This is Jacob,
and Kaylin
and we are here today
at Westlake Building Products
to learn
what's so cool
about manufacturing.
What are your names?
Robert Thurber.
Mike Smith.
What do you like about your job?
There's a lot to like about the job. Obviously, I've been here for 32 years now, so obviously if I didn't like it, I wouldn't be here for that many years. But I like the people. I like the work that I do. I started out as a technician and worked my way up to the maintenance manager over the last 30-some years. But the people mainly is what I like the most.
People.
That's it. Nice.
Did you always know you wanted to go into manufacturing?
So out of high school, I went out to college out to Columbus, Ohio at Ohio State, and I wanted to be a technician. I actually was an electronic technician at the time, electrical. And then right from there, I went into the field and then worked my way. I started out in Ohio and then went to Amsterdam, New York, and then I ended up here.
What's your name?
Paul Ferret,
What is your job title?
plant manager.
What do you like about your job?
It's usually different every day. I work with a really good team.
Did you always know you wanted to go into manufacturing?
No, I knew I wanted to go into engineering. I was always a hands-on guy. I'm not a gearhead though, more of a thinker. Folks went to engineering too, got into both of that, and sort of fell into injection molding and never got out of it.
What do you think's cool about manufacturing?
Oh, just the ability to, we have over 300 people here. We've had up to 350, and how all the little pieces come together.
That's what's so cool about manufacturing.